A mother woodpecker was sitting on the 3 eggs in her nest. The first 2 eggs hatched. It was a boy and girl woodpecker. She named them Wilson and Wilma. But the 3rd egg would not hatch. It was larger than the other 2 eggs, and it was speckled while the other 2 eggs were plain.
I think you're sitting on a robin's egg, Ma Woodpecker, or maybe it's the egg of some other bird like a goose or a peacock.
Stop kidding around, Pa Woodpecker. You know good and well that this is a woodpecker egg, even if it's large and speckled.
Sit yourself.
So Ma Woodpecker continued to sit on the egg, and after 3 long days, it began to crack. Out popped a strange creature that looked nothing like a woodpecker.
What a strange looking bird.
My word, it has a beak like a bird, it has webbed feet like some birds I know, but where are its wings? Where are its feathers? And what is this strange shell it has?
Little brother, can you do a hole in a tree for your beak like this? What is that?
He actually tried, but simply hurt his beak.
Little brother, can you fly like me? Flap, 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 flap.
He actually waved his arms, but he could not fly.
What kind of woodpecker are you? You can't fly and you can't do a hole in your beak. Yeah, what kind of woodpecker are you? You're the ugliest woodpecker I've ever seen. Children, for shame!
Pipe down, children. I don't really think this is your little brother. I think this is a duck. We need to find a new home for him along his own kind.
Pa Woodpecker picked up the hatchling and carried him down to the marsh. He left him with a couple of ducks named Danny and Dottie.
Who are you? Yes, please identify yourself. When I was born, I thought I was a woodpecker, but now I'm told that I'm a duck. A duck, you say, can you make sounds like this? Quack, quack, quack. Sorry. Do you waddle when you walk? I'm not sure. Here, I'll walk a few steps and you tap. You have a strange way of walking. You certainly don't waddle in a cool way like a duck. That's for sure. You don't quack and can't waddle. I don't know what you are. Disgrace to ducks. I think you must actually be a very ugly woodpecker. Yeah, those woodpeckers just wanted to get rid of you, but you're certainly not cool enough to be a duck.
The little creature's feelings were very hurt. If this is how ducks behave, he didn't even want to be a duck. He moved away from them just as fast as webbed feet would carry him. Soon, he came upon 2 turtles named Tanya and Terry.
Who are you? I don't know. I thought I was a woodpecker, but I couldn't drill holes with my beak. Then I thought maybe I was a duck, but he couldn't waddle and quack. No, silly. I know what you are. I was just asking who you are. What's your name? Wait a minute. You know what I am? Well, you're awfully turtley looking. You certainly aren't a snake or an owl or a moose. You're a turtle. No doubt about it. A turtle. But how can you be sure? Well, you look exactly like us, but just to be sure, there's a simple turtle test. Can you pull your head inside your shell?
The creature gave it a try. Sure enough, he was able to pull his head inside his shell.
You're a turtle. No question, you're a turtle. I'm a turtle. I'm a turtle.
So it was that the ugly woodpecker learned that he was actually a turtle. He immediately changed his name to Thaddeus T. Turtle. He was adopted by Tanya and Terry and their brothers and sisters. Thaddeus T. Turtle was always nice to other animals, no matter how unusual they looked and acted, and he lived happily ever after. My name is Jaden, and I play narrator.
My name is Zeke, and I play Pa Woodpecker.
My name is Justin, and I play Danny Duck.
My name is Sophia, and I play Ma Woodpecker. My name is Cindy, and I play Wilma Woodpecker and Tanya Turtle. My name is Bibian, and I play the ugly woodpecker.
My name is Emily, and I play Donnie Duck.
My name is Tiffany, and I play Tammy Turtle.
My name is Lawrence, and I play Wilson Woodpecker.